Well, the breeze is slowly decreasing across the valley. Still a pretty good breeze blowing at about 20 miles per hour, but the gusts starting to come down a bit. Probably over the next couple of hours, the winds will really start to drop off here after sunset. So it will be a much calmer night and a cooler night across the valley, too. The dew points are way down. Remember, just yesterday we were seeing dew points back in the 60s and 70s. Now dew points are in the 30s, so we're really dry. And with dry air and lighter winds tonight, temperatures will start to fall a little more quickly after sunset, and it's going to be a pretty cool night, maybe the coolest night of the week. 84 now, still one of the warm spots in McAllen, 78 in Port Isabel, and 81 in numerous places, Harlingen, Raymondville, and in Edinburgh. So tonight, with the sky staying mainly clear, we have clear sky, lighter winds, and dry air. That low humidity in place allows temperatures to cool. Should end up in the 50s late tonight for lows, except for maybe right near the coast where you're next to that warm bathwater sometimes. The Gulf of Mexico keeps it a little warmer at the island and at the coast. But look at the lows tonight, expected to be mostly in the mid 50s, 66 though at the island, but most every place else between about 52 and 57. So a clear night, a calmer night, and the light winds will be around the next couple days. So tomorrow looks like maybe the nicest day of the week if you like sunshine, low humidity, and not much wind. Temperatures in the 50s in the morning, back around 77 by noon, a high near 81 or so in the afternoon, but that will range from 70s or so at the coast, about the mid 80s in Starr County. But a nice day all around, not that 95 or 99 degree stuff. And then by tomorrow evening, still enough dry air in place. The temperatures will cool through the 60s in the evening. Probably will at least get into the upper 50s in some areas late tomorrow night as well. And then after that, the warmer weather gradually comes back in. Clear skies now. The clouds that came through early this morning with the cold front are way gone. And it's a pretty nice evening out there. Future track shows that northwesterly wind dying off pretty quickly this evening, and then lower humidity continues to pour in tonight and tomorrow. So it will be cool when you wake up in the morning. Sunshine takes over all day, and then temperatures warm back to around 80 or so, at least low 80s in most spots in the afternoon hours. You might see a few high thin clouds at times late in the day, but no clouds that are very thick at all. By tomorrow night, skies still mainly clear to partly cloudy, and then Friday is a day when it's still pretty good out there, sunshine and low humidity, but it starts to inch its way up. And by the weekend, we're talking about southeasterly winds increasing. Could be a little breezy by Saturday as temperatures start to warm up and the humidity increases. So the first 1570 forecast, about 81 for a high tomorrow, 83 on Friday, and those are the two coolest days maybe. Could be a little cooler next week depending on a front, but we are looking for a warm up for the weekend. Temperatures in the 80s, maybe close to 90 by Sunday, but the breezes increase along with the humidity. Next week, a cold front rolls into Texas. We'll keep an eye on this one. We'll show you next half hour. It might get close enough for a couple showers or storms. We'll track that front for you coming up in your first 1-5 forecast later on.